What's up guys? So today we're going to make a video talking about some of these Sword and Shield alt art cards that are just exploding in price. And I'm making this video not because I deal with singles and slabs that much, but just because some of these price increases are quite insane. So I think it's good for a lot of you guys that are invested in these or interested in these cards that you know about this. So to start, Gengar VMAX from Fusion Strike, as you can see, look at the 3-month graph and the 1 month as well. I mean, over the past month, this thing's basically moved from $211 up until about $286, $287. Just insane. What is that, like 20-30% growth? Just really massive move over the past month. And as you can see, maybe it's not selling as high as 280. The two sales on April 16th, 240 and 196. But that is mildly played and light played. So near mint, I don't know. It's a bit all over the place, but definitely seen huge gains over the past month for Gengar. And it's not the only card in Fusion Strike. The Espeon VMAX as well over the 1 year chart, basically back to its 1 year high. But if we look at the 1 month chart, it's gone from about 124 up until about 156. So what is that? Another 20% move or more. Insane as well. As you can see here on the 15th, a near mint holofoil 180. Mildly played 108, so, and then a near mint on April 15th for 156. So in that range, we have a couple other cards from Fusion Strike as well. The Mew VMAX is making a large move also. It's gone from about $60 at the start of the month 30 days ago up till $80, so a 33% move. We look at the 1 year chart. I believe this card was slammed as well, but it has recovered and it's actually higher than it was for its 1 year high back in May of last year. And then finally, the Cel V alternate art from Fusion Strike. Look at this, $26, $24.56 a month ago, and now it's up to $38. So basically a 50% increase over the past month for the Cel V, and it is at a 1 year high essentially. So pretty crazy movement. But those aren't the only cards we're seeing moves in. The Gutina V from Lost Origin, guys. I mean, obviously, it's not back to its 1 year high, but if we look at the past month, this, oh, okay, we can't see the price graph. 3 months, basically gone from 240 up until 310, 311. So what is that again? More than 20% move. And if you look here, this is the real interesting part. April 16th, $365. April 17th, $365. We also have some other cards making moves like the Charizard V from Brilliant Stars. As you can see, it's still taking a hit over its 1 year chart, but if we look at the 1 month, it is definitely making some gains, going from about 119, 120 up to 137, so over 10% gain even on the Brilliant Stars Charizard. And if you look at near mint holofoil selling April 16th, 159, 159, so definitely above market price as well. We have the Umbreon Vmax from Evolving Skies, obviously the largest card in Sword and Shield. This thing's gone from basically $600 to $730 essentially over the past month. So again, another 20-ish% gain. And considering this is a $600 card, now $700 card, that is absolutely bonkers. And if you see, they are selling for this price near mint holofoil $725.58. So definitely, you know, still selling around that price, which is a good sign if you own this card. Next up, we have the Umbreon V from Evolving Skies. Obviously, this card, PokeRev talked about it, whether you believe that's the reason for this going up or, you know, market manipulation from someone else. Again, started the month around $95, now up to around $183, so basically doubled in price. We also have the Rayquaza V from Evolving Skies. You can see the 3-month chart, $240. Now up to $320. That's like what, a 30% move. Insane. Basically, it's all happened the past month too. So insane growth for the second highest card in Evolving Skies. We also have the Sylveon Vmax making moves as well. Over the past month, it's gone from $133 up until around $153, so over 10% move there as well. Next, we get into one of my favorite cards in all of Sword and Shield, the Lugia V from Silver Tempest. This thing has grown crazy. Went from $130 up until around $177. So again, that's what, 30% move approximately, maybe even a little bit more than that. And as you can see, light played holofoil selling for $174, near mint selling for $175, so it is selling in this range consistently. And finally, even the Machamp V from Astral Radiance, this card has officially broken $100 market price. It does look like it's slowing down slightly, but it's gone from, you know, $87 up until around 100 in the past month. So that's almost a 20% gain, 18% or something like that. And you can see near mint holofoil selling for $120, $115. So you average that out, it is over market price currently. But that's all I got for you guys today. We're just looking at some of these cards and the insane growth. If you own any of these, let me know in the comments down below. If you're looking to pick up any of them, let me know as well. Obviously, I think PSA 10, Gengar, Lugia, Umbreon, I think you're going to do all right long term. Obviously, it's not for me, but again, if it's for you, that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.